Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil. In this video, we will talk about the task 2 given by the Spark Foundation Group Internship of Data Science Business Analytics June 2022 batch. Create a dashboard or a story of exploratory data analysis on sample Superstore dataset. So this is the dashboard I created. As you can see, the data contained from 2016 to 2019 year. The total sales are more than 2.30 million, and total profit is around 286.40k. And profit margin is 12.47 percentage, which is good. Quantities in the data 7,227, and total sales by this quantity are more than 422k. And most sales city in New York City over the data of total sale 256.37k, which is the highest city total sales. In the chart stacked chart, uh, these are the total sales and profit by the months. As you can see, the end of the year of few months have more sales rather than the few further. And total sales and profit by category. As you can see, phone is the leading with 330 uh 3,30,000 sales with a profit margin 13.49, and tables around is in the loss with a total sales 2,06,965. Sales by SIP mode, only standards class, which is around 56.12% of the sales is standard class, which is 13,58,256, and second comes the second class with more than 4 lakh, which is around 20%, 19.99. The sales and profit by the category and the subcategory. The leading category is technology among the other, and phones are the phones is the subcategory is leading with a total sales 3,30,000 and 7 sales, and profit is more than 44,000. Sales by segment, and there are only three segments: consumer, cooperative, and home office. And consumer gains 50% of the sales in the segment, around 11 lakh, more than 11 lakh sales. This is the chart, area chart by sales and profit by day. Let's see the recent year 2019 sales. It will take time to update. As you can see, the total sales in the year 2019 733.22k, and total profit around 93k. The profit margin is so good. Overall, it is. So this is the dashboard of sample sale dashboard made by the Microsoft Power BI desktop tool. And thank you for watching this video.